Hello everyone. In today's video we're going to cover our integration with PPG Paintmanager XI and how you can bring your live pour from scale into the Eagle MMS invoice. So you're going to go to Jobs, select your repair order, hit the $ off on the left. At the bottom right hit Run Invoice and click Default Repair Order Invoice. It's going to render a PDF for you, and then up at the top left you can save it to your computer. Once you have that saved to your desktop, you can go to Materials Calculator, select your RO. This is a car I've already written. As you can see, my invoice has estimate volumes on it, right? Estimate volumes. Now if I want to replace these estimated volumes with my live pour from scale, I'm going to go back to the calculator, hit Import from PPG Paintmanager, and then I'm going to drag and drop that export. The system is going to parse the data off of it, give me a comparison between what was estimated versus what the live pour was. I'm going to hit Import, and when I re-render the invoice, it'll show me layers, subcomponents, and subvolumes exactly the way my painter mixed it.